Hi, you three. Once again, would like you to revise your spelling activities and revise your spelling words, doing so on the Soundwaves website. For today's reading and writing, we're going to focus once again on a book about Australia. This is a wonderful text called Are We There Yet? I would like you to listen to the story in order to complete the activity. Once you have finished watching the video of the story over here, I would like you to answer these questions. The first question, where were some of the places that Grace visited? She visited many places around Australia. You just need to write your answer. We will prefer that you write in a full sentence, please. Have you ever been to the same places that Grace visited? So you might think of some of the same places that you've been that Grace has been to. Why do you think the family decided to take this trip? So this is more of an inferential question. You can see it's a bit more challenging with the why question. And what has the family learnt, I should say, during this trip? So did they learn anything about themselves, about each other as a family, or even about Australia? For the writing, I would like you to use the table that you completed yesterday to record 4 factual sentences. So you might need to open up your slides from yesterday. You can even copy and paste the slide so that it is directly on top. So if you just click on the slide and press Control C, then Control V, it will insert it in. So this is an example. I focused on Tasmania. The capital city is Hobart. I have the number of the population over here. I discussed its landscapes, man-made features, and natural feature. Then I wrote a paragraph using this factual information. Tasmania, you could see that I've got a comma here. So Tasmania, one of the smallest states of Australia, with a population of 541,071, is known for its astonishing natural scenery and clear air. Although it's a factual description, you can still add adjectives because it is quite astonishing, the environment. So the adjective does have to match, but you can use adjectives in factual descriptions. Hobart is the capital of Tasmania, where you can find the very popular art museum Mona. Tasmania has a rugged landscape with vast areas of mountains, valleys, and coastlines. A perfect example of the picturesque state is Cradle Mountain, which is listed on the World Heritage Site. Now, you might have a look at the structure in which I have written my paragraph and use a similar structure to write your own. I would like you to do this on the next slide. If you find this extremely challenging and you are very unsure of what to do, you may just choose to complete. This is a structured activity, so it's aiming a little bit lower, but you might choose to complete this instead. Sydney is the capital of. It has a population of, I'll just add a text box there so that you can insert your answer. Sydney is best known for, you just have to click on the boxes. If you just double click, you can type your answer. It is Australia's largest city with a size of. There are many man-made features like these. Sydney also is surrounded, I should change that. Sydney is also surrounded by natural beauty such as. So if you find it tricky, you might just answer those instead. Following this, please watch the instructional video that Mrs. Fry has created for your maths lesson, which will explain what to do for maths today. Now, we will be marking your maths today. Sorry, we actually will be marking your writing today, not your maths. Okay, for religion, we're going to be looking at the lives of saints. Now, the saint that we've chosen for today is Saint Francis of Assisi, and I've chosen him because I really like this saint because he is a saint as an ecologist, which means that he actually is a patron saint of living things like animals and plants. So I would like you to just read over and watch the videos that discuss his life and then list 6 qualities that allow him to become a saint. This is an optional task.